is Julie. I was recommended by to Dr. Nathan by my daughter who had some neck issues. She had gone to different chiropractors for over a year and they just really weren't helping her. She met Nathan and as he explained his method of chiropractic, his technique was so much different than anything that she had ever experienced. So she decided to give him a try. She never met a chiropractor that was so gentle and kind. He actually cared about what was going on in her life because stress can cause a lot of problems with your back. Well, I could see how much he helped her, so I decided to give him a try. I was having a lot of hip pain for the last couple years and went to multiple chiropractors and just nothing helped. I figured it was arthritis and it was just something that I had to deal with. Well, when I went to see Nathan, he was so thorough. He cared about all the details because everything connects. What I mean by that is, as Nathan was adjusting my back, he found that the problem started in my knee and my foot. Once he started adjusting my knee and foot, that's when my hip pain went away. You would never think that adjusting something other than your lower back would make your hip feel better. But not only did it make my hip feel better, but it significantly helped my plantar fasciitis, which I have dealt with for 12 years. Now I was able to stand for long periods of time without pain. I have always had some kind of pain in my back, and after going to see Nathan, I actually realized what it feels like to be pain-free. I recommend him to everybody I meet. He has been such a blessing to our family, physically and spiritually. My family saw the improvement in me and they all started going to him. So if you're experiencing any pain, go see Nathan at Restoration Chiropractic.